So here we are, we're going to load up the pre-recorded clip of the MOBOTIX Q22 360 degree hemispheric camera. It's important to remember this camera has got no moving parts, so everything that you're going to see in this demonstration is done digitally within the camera. So we're going to load up the software from MOBOTIX. This is called MOBOTIX Control Center. This is version 2.0. This is free of charge from MOBOTIX and really just enables the easy, smooth, fluid viewing of the MOBOTIX cameras. So we're going to click on the shortcut to MXCC. Okay, so this is actually displaying the pre-recorded image from the Q22, and as you can see the view is very similar to what you would expect from a normal CCTV camera, and that's because the image is actually flattened out. Now what I can do just to demonstrate what the image was actually recorded within the camera is to click and expand this section PTZ controls and change it from area corrected to unchanged. So this is the raw image that was actually recorded by the camera. And as you can see, it's a 360 degree like goldfish bowl effect. So we're recording the whole of the room all of the time with this 11mm hemispheric lens. However, from an understanding point of view, from a playback and interrogation point of view, it's probably easier if we switch to the area corrected view. So using the drop down, let's just select area corrected. And that will now flatten the image out as though it's a traditional PTZ camera. So now using this jog control, we can pan and tilt and zoom within that original 360 degree image. And as you can see, we can rotate to the left, we can rotate to the right, and also by twisting it, we can zoom in and zoom out. And again, on the zoomed in image, we can pan and tilt and zoom around. We can also zoom using this slider control. And as you can see, the images are now playing back. If we want the images to pause, we expand the player section and press stop. From there, we can step backwards. Maybe find a particular thing that we want to focus in on, and then we can follow somebody around the room. We can also pan and tilt and zoom by simply clicking on the image. So for instance, we can zoom in on this particular person, and then again we can step forwards and follow that person around the scene. Another way that we can view the 360 degree image, instead of viewing it as a flattened out image, we can actually view it as a surround image. So this is giving us the effect of 4 different cameras pointing north, south, east and west simultaneously. And again, if we click play, the whole area is covered again using one camera. So that concludes the demonstration of the MOBOTIX Q22 using MOBOTIX MX Control Center version 2.0.